Hello class 7. In our last class, we have done some programming based on the for to next statement and step statement. In today's class, we are going to start the second loop, the while when loop. Okay, of chapter 9. That what is the while when loop? So it is another loop like for to next statement which is used to create a loop. The while statement directs the control to check a condition. See, it is used to check a condition. It orders to check a condition for the process to be repeated. And the when statement returns the control back to the while. The loop terminates when the condition of the while loop becomes false. In easy way, we can understand the while when loop is used to repeat a statement or a set of a statement as long as the given condition is true. Once again, the while when loop is used to repeat a statement or a set of a statement as long as the given condition is true. Alright. So while statement directs the control to check a condition for the process to be repeated, and when a statement returns the control, and as long as the condition is true, the loop will be repeated. When the condition is false, the loop terminates. The loop stops. Its syntax is while condition. While condition. If this condition is true, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4 will be executed. If the condition is false, control comes after when and stops the loop. So till the time this condition is true, all these statements in the body of the loop will be executed one after another. And at the time whenever the condition becomes false, this loop will not be executed. For example, CLS I equal to 1. It is called initialization. I value is 1. While I is less than or equal to 10. I value is 1. 1 is less than 10. Yes, 1 is less than 10. So it prints Don Bosco Academy. Now I equal to I plus 1. The 1 plus 1, now value becomes 2. So it goes up and checks whether 2 is less than 10 or not. Yes, 2 is less than 10. It again prints Don Bosco Academy. Now I value as 2. The I equal to I plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Again it goes up. Now checks the condition. 3 is less than 10. Yes, 3 is less than 10. It prints Don Bosco Academy. Then same way, now 3 plus 1, 4. Again when sends the control back to the while. Now I value is 4. The 4 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is less than 10. The print Don Bosco Academy. So now one after another, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. After printing 10 times Don Bosco Academy, I value becomes 11. I plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 is less than 10. No. 11 equal to 10. No. Condition becomes false. The program is stopped. Now let us see this program, how it works in the QBASIC. Open the QBASIC, QB64. Type the program, CLS I equal to 1 while I less than equal to 10. Print Don Bosco Academy. Print Don Bosco Academy. Don Bosco Academy, close the bracket, I equal to I plus 1 and wend, W-E-N-D. Now end of the program. Okay, now run the program, press function key F5. And here the output comes. See, the output is, it has come down. The output is Don Bosco Academy printed how many times? 10 times. See, Don Bosco Academy is printed. So this while when loop program is printing Don Bosco Academy for 10 times. Just like for to next statement. Alright. Now next one. Write a program to print first 10 natural numbers using while when loop. CLS n value is 1. In the beginning, n value is 1. First 10 natural number. 1 is less than 10. Yes, print n means 1 is printed. Now n equal to n plus 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Again, when sends the control back. Now 2 less than 10. Yes, the print 2. Now 2 plus 1, 3. when sends up. Now 3 less than 10, yes, print n, means 3 is printed. Now n equal to n plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. When sends up, 4 is less than 10, yes, the print 4. Now n equal to n plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. When sends up, 5 less than 10, yes, the print 5. Now n equal to n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. When sends up, 6 less than 10, yes, the print 6. So till this condition is true in the while statement, this loop body will be repeating continuously. At the moment the n value exceeds 10, then condition becomes false and loop is terminated and ends the program. Now let us do this program also in the QBASIC and check the output. CLS n equal to 1 while n less than equal to 10, print n equal to n plus 1 when and end of the program. Now type F5 and see the output. See the output, it is printing all the natural numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The program is clear. Okay. Now next programming question is write a program to print first 10 even numbers using while main loop. So see, this program we have done in the for to next statement also. The first even number is 2, 10th even number is 20. The while e less than equal to 20, print e. The 2 is printed because 2 is less than 20. E equal to e plus 2. The 2 plus 2, 4. Go up, 4 less than 20. Yes, the print 4. Now 4 plus 2, 6. When go up, 6 less than 20, to print 6. Now 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20. Till 20, this loop will be executed. When the e value becomes 20 plus 2, 22, the 22 is less than or equal to 20, condition becomes false and it stops. Okay, now let us check the output in QBASIC. Open QB64. CLS e equal to 2 while e less than equal to 20, print e. Operation will be 2, e equal to e plus 2, e plus 2, and close the loop, when and end of the program. And now press F5, function key F5, and see the output. See, it is printing. It printed all the even numbers from 2 to 20. First 10 even numbers are printed. You can see the output here. Alright. So we have done the even number program using the while main loop. Now let us write the program of odd number. Write a program to print first 10 odd number using while main loop. CLS odd equal to 1 while odd less than equal to 19, print odd equal to odd plus 2, when and end of the program. Now let us do this program also in the QBASIC and check the output. CLS odd equal to 1 while odd less than equal to 19, print odd operation odd equal to odd plus 2 and when and end of the program. Press F5 and just see the output. One, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. The output came. So in today's class, what we have learned? We have learned what is a while band statement and how to use this while band statement in our QBASIC program. So we are supposed to write these programs and practice it. Thank you.